Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I simply make my cornrows. I'm going to just advise you to just pay attention, and I promise you would understand this in just a bit. Okay guys, so how I do this is I just section the hair, and I have some, like, three sections of the hair. One will be in the right hand, the second one will be in the left hand, and then there's one in the middle. Then I'm gonna take the one in the right hand, and take it over to the left. You're just going to be watching and see how I do this. First of all, you section the hair before you begin to do this process, okay? So like this, I have one at the right hand, this is the one in the middle. I'll just take the one in the left and put it in that right hand, and use the right hand and collect the one in the left. So as I do this, I'll still take the one in the right. Just that, basically that's how I'm doing it. And if I'm doing this, I'll make sure that I'm picking, as I'm collecting over to the other side, I'm picking the hairs from under. Honestly, one of the major ways that you can learn how to braid cornrows is by practicing, trying to do it honestly, because if you just keep watching videos, you get more confused. But the moment you begin to, do this, you're going to begin to learn. Okay, just this is just a quick tour of just how I do my cornrows before I begin to install the frontals. I just pick it one step at a time. When I take this one, I will take the one from the back, then I'll be holding two in one hand. Then as I hold two in one hand, then I'll take the one at the back of my hand. So if I'm holding two in one hand, that means there's one in the front and one in the back. So the one I'm going to be collecting from each hand will be the one at the back. I don't know if my explanation makes sense, but basically that is it. I'll just advise you to watch the video and see how I do that. And probably you begin to practice and learn how it's done. Just watch the video and Okay guys, so this is almost the last part because I don't know, it's still the same thing that we keep doing from beginning to the towards the end. Just quietly keep going and keep going. It will take your time, but just quietly and gently you are going to learn it. Okay guys, so this is how I ended. This is the last and the last part. Just I'm gonna slick it down and make sure that everything is well slicked and everything is well laid before I begin to install my frontal. Yeah, thank you so much for watching.